Welcome back to Mudra classes beta. I am your Rakesh sir, commerce lecturer. Okay, today I am going to explain you very important problem from the intermediate second year accountancy compulsory question in the final exam for 10 marks beta. So this is the question number 4 from not for profit organization chapter. So what is giving here? Kamareddy Youth Club gives you their receipts and payments account. So what is given in this question beta? Receipts and payments account is given. What is asking to prepare us? They are asking to prepare us income and expenditure account. So they given receipts and payments account. This is the receipts and payments account. Now asking to prepare income and expenditure account. So here I drawn the income and expenditure account format. Nana, this is credit. Here I written credit and here I written debit. So already see, before this video I given to you introduction of this chapter Nana, so that one compulsory you have to attend. Okay, before starting this problem, before listening this video, before watching this video, you have to attend, you have to see the introduction of this chapter Nana, because in that introduction clearly I said whatever given in the question debit side, in answer we will write credit side, whatever in the question credit side given we will write on debit side. I explained clearly. Okay, so if you not see that introduction, you will not understand the problem clearly. Okay, right. What are the adjustments given in this problem? First we have to tick that one. Outstanding subscription given on 31st March 2019. So tick the subscription here. So I ticked subscription here. Next, subscription received in advance said. So one more time I ticked subscription. So two times we have adjustment for subscription. Next, value of old furniture sold is 45,000. So here sale of old furniture given, that value of old furniture given. So how to write? Listen carefully. These opening balance and these closing balance we will not write in the income and expenditure account, because receipts and payment account is nothing but cash account. Receipts and payment account is nothing but what account, Anna? Cash account. That means this is the cash opening balance, this is the cash closing balance. Okay, already I told you in the previous video that we will not write in income and expenditure account assets, but in income and expenditure account we will not write assets. So cash is an asset, cash opening balance is an asset, cash closing balance also an asset. We will not write in the income and expenditure account. That's why these opening balance of cash and these closing balance of cash we will not record in the income and expenditure account. See the next one, subscriptions given. Okay, it is a regular source of income, so we have to write here by subscription. In answer right here by subscription. Amount write in inner column beta, because we have adjustment. So amount write in inner column 70,000. Okay, see the next one, donation received for mineral water. So donation received for mineral water, this is a specific donation, Nana, because one person donated money and is saying purpose also, for which purpose he has to use. This is called the specific donation. So this specific donation we will not write in the income and expenditure account, we will write in the balance sheet liability side. So specific already I given to you the about donations also I explained in the previous video, you check one time. Okay, so donations giving for specific purpose, like conducting cricket tournament, like conducting for charity, like conducting any for distributing prizes, this all will come as a specific donation beta. We will not write in the income and expenditure account, we will write in the balance sheet liability side. So in this question asking to prepare income and expenditure account, that's why we will not consider, we will not write in the answer. Next one, sale of old furniture. See, furniture is an asset, furniture is an asset, furniture is an asset. When you sold furniture, furniture is an asset, we will get income. When you sold furniture, we will receive money. That one we will not write in the income and expenditure account. Already I told you, when assets purchasing or selling, we will not record in the income and expenditure account. In previous video I said clearly. So here sale of furniture is an income, we will not write beta here. So because cash is coming into business, we will not write. Next one, interest on investment is a regular income, Nana. So in in income and expenditure account, we will record only recurring expenditure beta. That means క్యాష్ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వచ్చేదే రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎవ్రీ మంత్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ దట్ వన్ ఓన్లీ వీ విల్ రికార్డ్. ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి వచ్చే ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వచ్చే ఇన్కమ్ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వచ్చే ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తాము. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ sale of old furniture, so it is an asset, we will not record. Next, interest on investment is a regular source of income, we will write by interest on investment, by interest on investment. What is the amount beta? Interest on investment 10,200, so write down here 10,200 interest on investment. Okay, now see the next one. Now debit side all items completed beta. Now come to the credit side. What is first item given? Salary, so it is regular, every month we have to pay, so write down here 2 salaries 20,000, 2 salaries 20,000, no adjustment, directly write outer column. Next one, fixed deposit is an asset, purchase of furniture is an asset, purchase of share is an asset. These three are assets, so we will not write. These three are assets, so we will not write beta. Remember which three are assets? See, these three are assets. Okay, so we will not write in the answer. Fixed deposit is an asset, purchase of furniture is an asset, purchase of share also an asset. Already I told you in income and expenditure account we will not write any asset, so leave these three. Next one, stationery and printing. Yes, we will write, it is a regular expenditure, we will write here to stationery and printing. So stationery and printing, how much given Nana? Stationery and printing 20,000, so write down there 20,000. Next one, by general expenses 6,000 rupees. So general expenses given on 6,000 rupees, so write down here to general expenses. General expenses means tea expenses, smart snacks expenses, like that beta. So general expenses 6,000 rupees. Okay, now see the next question. So with this all items completed in the receipts and payments account. Now we have to see the adjustment. In previous video already I told you, in income and expenditure, in the question current year, previous year, next year, 3 years items giving, but in an answer we have to write only current year. So outstanding subscription said Nana, that means so outstanding subscription said Nana, that means current year one person is liable to pay 1,500 but he not paid. ఒక పర్సన్ కరెంట్ ఇయర్ 1,500 పే చేసేది ఉండే కానీ పే చేయలేదు. పే చేయకపోయినా సరే అది కరెంట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించిందే కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో కరెంట్ ఇయర్ అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఫర్ ద కరెంట్ ఇయర్ అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ ఉంది. ఒక చూడండి, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించినవి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించినవి రాయకూడదు, కానీ కరెంట్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించినవే రాయాలి ఇన్కమ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ అకౌంట్లో. సో అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ అంటే అర్థమైంది, ఒక పర్సన్ ఈ సంవత్సరం పైసలు డబ్బులు పే చేసేది ఉండే 1,500 కానీ పే చేయలేదు. వాడు పే చేయకపోయినా కరెంట్ ఇయర్దే కాబట్టి మనం రాసుకోవాలి. సో హియర్ we have to add outstanding. O by S means nothing but outstanding. So outstanding subscription 1,500 we have to add. So inner column itself you write 71,500. See the next one, subscription received in advance. Beta, just now I told you we will write only current year income. So subscription received in advance, that means next year subscription received in advance. Next year you write next year income subscription you write in next year accounts, not in the current year accounts. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నానా, సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఇన్ అడ్వాన్స్ అంటున్నాడు, అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించిన అమౌంట్ కరెంట్ ఇయరే రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నాము. నేను ఏం చెప్పాను, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించింది క్వశ్చన్లో ఇస్తాడు కానీ మనం కేవలం ఆన్సర్లో కరెంట్ ఇయర్దే రాయాలి అని చెప్పిన. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించింది నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ రాయాలి కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు అది ఏం చేయాలి, మైనస్. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మైనస్. సో 500 వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిడక్ట్ ఇయర్. లెస్ అడ్వాన్స్ రిసీవ్డ్ హౌ మచ్ నానా, 500. outer column 71,000. Okay, see the next one Nana, last one, value of old furniture sold. Listen carefully beta, when we sold an asset that is an capital expenditure, capital income, we will not write Okay, when we sold an asset, that is a capital expenditure, capital income, we will not write. But when you sold an asset, whether we may get profit or loss, we may get profit or loss. Okay, so here if you observe carefully, here I will show you, just a minute. Observe these 2 points here. Here sale of furniture, and here value of furniture. So value of furniture is 42,000 rupees. So value of furniture is how much, Nana? 45,000 rupees. Sorry, just a minute. Right, cost of furniture is 45,000 rupees, and we sold for how much? 42,000 only we sold. That means 45,000 ఉన్న ఫర్నిచర్ని 42,000కి అమ్మాము అంటే మనకి 3,000 ఏమొచ్చిందా ఇక్కడ? లాస్ వచ్చింది. Okay, so we got 3,000 loss here. Okay, these loss we have to write, these loss we have to consider. So when you got loss, write on debit side like this, you have to write to loss on sale of furniture, to loss on sale of furniture. Amount 45,000 is the cost of furniture, like for selling cost is 42,000, 45 minus 42, 3,000 rupees. Okay, I think with this all transactions are completed here. Now we have to close the account. Very simple. Do debit side total beta. Debit side total 2020 40 46 49,000. So debit side total is 49,000 rupees. Now do the credit side total. So credit side total I will do here. Credit side total is how much beta? 71 plus 10, 81,200. Okay, so in this two, which is the big amount? 81,200. So both sides write that big amount, 81,200. 81,200. Now do minus beta. 81,200 minus 49,000, 0 0, 2 minus 0 2, 11 minus 9 2, 7 minus 4 3. So 32,200 write on credit side. 32,200 write on which side beta? Debit side you write, because debit side is the small amount. So 32,200 write on debit side. This is called surplus. This is called what beta? Surplus. Surplus carried down. Okay, surplus is nothing but net profit anamata. Ante anni kharchulu ponu migilina dabbulu. In profit and loss account we will say it as a net profit, but here we will call it as a surplus. Ante kharchulu anni ponu migilina dabbulu anamata ivi. Okay, so with this I am going to close this session beta. Next question number 5 I will explain the next session. Okay, thank you.